Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I am Nash, and for today's video, I am going to show you how I did this BOHO bean bag or bean bag na lang, wag ng BOHO. BOHO lang because of the print. It's very easy. So, ayun, I made this because I want something cozy sa aking reading nook. This is going to be my reading nook even if I don't read. It's getting there, guys. Hindi pa ito yung final. So, dito ko siya ilalagay sa aking nook. And I want to teach you kung paano gawin yan kasi actually nabili ko na yung dating pillow. So gumawa lang ako ng punda tapos ipinasok yung beanbag beads sa loob. So if you guys are interested, let's get into the video. Bye-bye!
Speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey.
Let's start first with what you'll need, yung beanbag na gagamitin or any micro beads na ilalagay sa loob. And of course, yung tela of your choice. So the first thing you need to do is to create 2 circles. Use a guide para equal sila kasi yan yung magiging base ng beanbag. Now that the 2 circles are done, para naman malaman natin yung pabilog na part para kung gaano siya kakataas and yung ipapaligid natin para maging ottoman siya, kailangan kunin yung diameter and radius para makompute natin yung circumference ng circle para malaman natin kung gaano kahaba ba na rectangle ang gagawin natin dito. So I just wanna say, you need maths in your lives. Okay? So, ayun, may measure natin. Tapos, i-compute natin. Okay, so, that's it. So, nasa 45 yung kanyang diameter. Taking into consideration yung allowance na inano ko. So, 46 na lang para 13 yung radius. So, i-compute na natin para dito kung anong gaano kalaki yung rectangle. Okay. Ngayon na naging circle na rin tong ating rectangle kanina, naging round na. Next naman is itatahi ko na sila both sides together para maging pillow na siya, ma-enclose na natin siya. So ayan, make sure na mag-meet yung ends at hindi siya magiging maluwag. So ito na, pagtatahiin na sila yung circle for circle doon sa rectangle and mamaya na yung isa pang circle. Ay, ang hirap. So now na nailagay na natin partially and with all the kalats, ito pa, ipapasok ko na dito kasi medyo, yun, ang pangit, walang laman, 'di ba? So, good luck to me. Ay, it's so hard. So, the next thing, ang next step is ibalik yung mga kalat, ipasok sa loob. Dahil lagot ako sa nanay ko. Now that it's done, all of the nakakainis na beads are inside na. You have to sew it close, sew it shut. That's it. So here is the final product, guys. It's very easy to do. Ang saya kasi I didn't expect na ganyan siya magiging kalaki. And ayan, ang cozy-cozy na yung tingnan together with my plant. So tamang-tama yung boho style niya.
And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something from it. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tap the bell on so you get notified every time I post. And also, don't forget to follow me on all my social media accounts. It's at Queen Nash Rapi, Instagram and Twitter at Queen Nash Rapi. And I hope you guys get inspired sa aking mga ginagawang DIY because if you don't have money to buy it, you can DIY it. So, bye! See you on my next video!